Okay, here dogs. Here dogs. Toby, come here. Sit. Good. Can you sit, Beamer? Yes, how about you, Matt? Sit. Sit. Yes, good boy. Good job. Beamer, no, you have to sit. Sit. Good. Yes, good boy, Bailey. You too, Toby. You're doing so... no, Selkie, not nice. Toby's turn. Okay, Selkie, are you sitting? Toby, sit. Good. Selkie, come back here. Sit. Sit. Thank you. Stay. Good boy, Rowdy. Good job. Yes, everybody's so good. Okay, break. Let's go. Great work. Yep, we're just climbing up the road over here. And I'm just reminding the dogs that I have the treats and that they have to come to me when I call them. The command for all the dogs to come over is, here dogs. I can't shout it too loud, they'll come back to me. But we're having a great time and the dogs are really being so good today. Good work, guys.